Hey, so Lenny Lou, tell the people where we are today.
We at the zoo.
We're at the zoo. We're at the Albuquerque Zoo and Biopark.
Let's go check it out.
Look at the map. There's a map in there? Oh, there's a map over there.
Lennon, let's go look at the map and see where we want to go, okay?
Okay, here we are. There we are right here. And then let's go. Oh,
Let's go through the ape walk
let's go to the ape walk. Please be careful. Gorillas can throw objects at the crowds.
Oh God.
I wonder if that means like poop.
Oh.
Where are they?
I bet this thing around the tree.
At the bottom.
I bet that'll electrocute. They get on that thing, it'll shock them so they won't get on there. Because they could climb up that tree and they could jump over. Yeah. I don't see. Oh, there he is. He's over there. He's over there.
Lenny, you need somebody to lift you up, Lenny?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, a little populated. Oh, Lennon, look at that. Oh my God.
He's eating some kind of food.
He's talking to you.
Hey, what is your name?
Oh, wait, I
Toddy.
think that's Tusa.
Tusa.
Lennon, that's Tusa.
Who?
That's Tusa. That's his name. Say hi, Tusa.
Hey, Tusa. Really?
Talk to him in gorilla language.
Louder, Lennon.
Oh. We need to go. Oh. No, let's go to the animal.
Oh, there's one over there too. There's two over there. Look at it, Lennon, look. It's hanging upside down.
The elephant is this way.
Okay, well, let's go this way. Let's go in there. Let's go in there.
Huh?
No.
Are you scared, buddy?
Whoa. Be careful.
What if we drop the map and then the gorillas will eat it?
Yeah.
No, they will give us. They will give us back the map.
Yeah. What is it?
Sleeping.
What is
It's a
it?
spotted hyena. It's sleeping.
Aww, so cute.
He's tired.
Hey guys, let's sneak up and see if they don't like us.
Yeah, we sneak away. Good idea.
We should sneak up and wake them up, I think.
Yeah.
See, back there behind the tree.
What is it?
A cheetah. What is it, Lan?
Cheetah. Do you see
I don't see it. Where's it at?
It's behind the tree.
If we go over here, can we see it better?
Yeah. No, it doesn't really look like a cheetah, but it is one.
I don't see the cheetah.
I see it. It's behind that ski.
Oh, I see it back there. It's right back over in there. The problem with coming to the zoo, like at this time, it's so hot and so all the animals are asleep. I bet that's gonna be hot. It says caution hot.
Maybe.
It's a sculpture.
A lioness and cubs. It's the baby.
It's a mom and a baby.
I bet it's really hot. See how hot it is. Touch it.
Oh my gosh, that is really hot.
Let's see. Oh man, that is hot. Are you having fun at the zoo so far?
Yeah, Bunny, I'm getting sweaty.
You're getting sweaty? I know.
Are you getting sweaty?
Look at my head, my forehead. I'm getting sweaty.
I'm
Yeah.
getting sweaty.
Touch it. Touch my forehead. You feel the sweat?
I feel wet.
This way. All right. This is a big zoo. Hope they have some water fountains somewhere because I'm getting thirsty.
Oh, there it is. That one is. You see that one sleeping?
Hey.
Is that a cheetah? Right there?
That's a
Oh,
chimpanzee.
there's one over there.
Where?
Come over here, Lennon.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Oh, it's a baby!
Look, look. It's real. It's moving. What's over here? What is this?
Oh yeah.
A camel?
A camel.
Oh wow, we get to see a camel.
Oh my gosh.
Lennon, look at the camera, buddy.
What's he doing? He probably has plantar fasciitis like I do, and he can't walk, so he just wants to lay down. Or he's dead. You think he's dead?
It's moving, Dad.
He's barely moving. He's tired.
He has a medical condition. See?
Does it say?
Yeah.
What's the zebra's name?
Footsie.
Footsie?
No, Fixie.
Fixie.
You just changed it.
He just changed his name.
Giraffe.
Look, Jeff, buddy.
Baby giraffe. I want to see it. That's a baby one.
There's a lot of giraffes.
They have long necks, and then they stay up, and then they go wake up. Oh, I feel
Is it cool?
Can we do one more time?
Okay.
I'm gonna give it a shoot.
Oh, we can't do it all day. We can't do it all day. How was feeding the giraffe? Was that pretty cool?
Yeah. It was bridging and tunnel.
Yeah, I sure did. Oh, check it out. Here's another one right here. Look.
Oh, elephant! They're playing,
They're playing with the ball.
they're playing kickball.
Yeah. There's a baby one over there. You see the baby one? Oh, yeah? Hey, how about we ride the train instead?
Let's go ride the train.
Yeah!
Well, we walked back over here to the train station, and the train is out of order, of course. So, no train ride. So now we're gonna walk back over to the other side of the zoo. What do you think, Lenny Lou?
Good. Too bad I didn't get that thing though.
What did you get?
This
We got this. We'll show it to you later.
toy.
So we saw this sign called Penguin Chill right here, and I thought, well, that'd be a good place to go to cool off. So we get to where the exhibit is going to be, and it's under construction, so that sucks. It's so hot. You hot?
Go. Fall 2018.
Fall 2018. Yeah, we're a little early for the Penguin Chill. What? Where are we going? What do you see? Where are you going? Hey, you're missing a bunch of snakes. What's wrong? What's wrong?
Imagine being on Naked and Afraid.
What?
It's harder than this.
Imagine being on Naked and Afraid.
No, that would suck. Is he scratching? He's scratching?
Hello?
Oh, here he comes. Hope he doesn't pee on us. He's very itchy.
Oh! Is it owl?
I think. Oh, there he is! Look, look! There he is! Look, look! Come here!
I think we can go up there.
Yeah, let's go up to the top. I think we're headed back to the hotel. The heat's starting to get to everybody. It's hot. We've been here a couple of hours. I think we've seen everything there is to see. Lennon, I think it's about nap time for Lennon, so I think we're gonna call it a day at the Albuquerque Zoo.
Hot.
Was it fun?
It was really fun. It's just really hot.
Yeah, it's just really hot.